In this first session, we're going to talk about the common list operations. So as an example, we have two lists, list 1 and list 2. So we can get the length of file using length command. We can reverse the list using the dot reverse command at the end of the list. So that's going to be now the result. We can count the number of a certain element, in our case number 2, which has 2 occurrences. Then we can basically extend our lists. If we have 2 lists, we can just add them together. With the same token, we can use this particular syntax to add, let's say, a list of -1 and -10 at the end of our list. So now this is going to be our list. We can extend and attach 2 lists together using this extend command as well. Now this is our result. We can add a certain element at the end of the list by append command. So here is going to be results. And then we can insert at a certain index, which is index 1, a certain element, which is -2. So that's going to be our new element added to the list. Then we can find out an index of the certain element, let's say index of -2, which is 1, or we can remove it. So we can go ahead and remove that. And that's going to be basically our result.